Hi friends, welcome to my channel. A for apple. A for ant. A for aeroplane. B for ball. B for balloons. B for butterfly. C for cat. C for crow. C for cake. D for dog. D for donkey. D for deer. E for eagle. E for eggplant. E for elephant. F for flowers. F for fishes. F for fox. G for giraffe. G for gorilla. G for grass. H for hummingbird. H for honey. H for hats. I for instruments. I for iguana. I for ice cream. J for juice. J for joker. J for jellyfish. K for key lock. K for kiwi. K for kettle. L for leaf. L for lollipop candies. Nice. L for ladies' fingers. M for milk. M for mountain. M for moon. N for notebooks things. N for noodles. You like? N for nets. O for onion. O for oxygen. O for autobus. P for pig. P for pineapple juice. P for papaya. Q for queen. Q for question mark. Q for quill. R for sun. S for star. S for snow. T. T for tiger. T for tree. T for tomato. U. U for unicorn. U for umbrella. U for uniform. V. V for van. V for vegetables. V for vulture. W. W for waterfall. W for watermelon. W for wheat. X. X for X-ray. X for X-ray machine. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yak. Y for yolk. Y for yoga. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra crossing. Z for zip. Thanks for watching the video. Like and subscribe and bell. Bye friends. Bye bye.